What's going on, everybody? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading. Just going to do a quick recap on what I was trading today. Pretty quick day, sort of a one and done type deal. We're going to be talking about ATER. This was straight off of the scan. Talked about this pre-market with the team in chat. And, it's no surprise that this thing popped today. If you actually look at ATER, over the last little while here, this has been running almost nonstop to the upside since about the 26th, 27th of last month. We've sort of talked about this one even mid to late last week. We were talking about ATER, and today this thing popped up on the pre-market scan, and it was showing that there was some opportunities here. Now, I personally got into this after most of the people in chat that were trading this got in, right? So they were front running the trades in the sense that they were in a lot earlier than I was. I was taking a little bit more of a conservative bet because I felt that I had missed my first opportunity right through here. So what I'm looking at, we've got this trendline resistance right through here. We've got this VWAP pop or squeeze, if you will, to the upside, and then we've got a squeeze on the MACD giving us a buy signal. I missed that. Some of our traders caught that, and they took this thing long. You can see that we got the 200-day simple moving average down here. We got the VWAP right through here layered on top. And so what we're getting is a quick synopsis of a net bullish situation that we want to only trade long. So with this ATER, I actually missed the opportunity to get in right through here, which in my opinion was the most perfect setup on this trade today. And because I missed that, I needed to see this thing come down to the VWAP or close to it, so that I could to get back into this thing. So right through here, 5-minute chart, price action rallies pretty strong. And again, anybody that was in at this area right through here is now looking to cash out in these areas right through here, especially when you get this rejection pin bar. I like these pin bars because they give me some insight into the fact that price action is reversing. When price action reverses rather, and then reverts back to a mean, in this case, the VWAP, what I'm looking to do is get long on the reversal that then comes after. Now, that didn't happen. We got a 3-bar play right through here, and so price action moved up. It cracked that 1674 high, came back into this range, sold off, and closed a little bit lower at about $16. What I was looking for off of that VWAP was a crack through 1674, which is what we got. Sort of consolidated sideways. It did produce a nice high probability pattern, which essentially is an ascending triangle. And at this point, what I'm looking at is this level now right through here. And the idea was ascending triangle. I'm in up through here. If it can't hold and we break below 1582, I'm done. I'm out. It is what it is. But if we can consolidate sideways and pop, then I'm good. So on this one, we used a profit target taking tool. This thing worked out perfectly. I just can't stress this enough. Very nice play. This was option based, so I was trading options on this. And it's looking like right now that there could potentially be another setup. So if you are watching this right now in real time, 10 o'clock or 10 after 10 on the West Coast here, Pacific Standard Time, if you're looking at this trade, 1718 could be an area where price action cracks. If we look at sort of an approximate zone, taking some of these wicks and topping tails into consideration, you could potentially get long in and around 1728 to 1784. We've also got some trendline resistance, and we're sort of producing a bit of a fork here. So we've got a trendline resistance level there. We've got a trendline resistance, let's say, right through here. And the idea is that it's breaking these levels of resistance and setting new highs on a short-term swing high basis. And so these are going to be all the swing highs through here, right here, right here. And the idea is that level cracks to the upside. You could get another move. We've got a pre-buy signal on the MACD indicator. And so there were some great opportunities that we took advantage of today. Best opportunity, again, coming right down through here. The opportunity that I took was right down through here, and the opportunities that are still sort of on the radar are anywhere through, I want to say, one of these levels up through here, and we're going to be looking at about 17, mid-17 levels. So that's what we got. That was a recap for today. Only trade that I put on. One and done. Shout out to the team. They did better than me, and as a somebody that's coaching people through this process, I actually prefer that people in our community and our students produce better trades than me. It means that I'm on the right track teaching people how to do this. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com.